If you're experiencing connection errors while playing Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your gaming console. Post the game completely and restart your console or PC. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing connection issues. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test on your internet connection to ensure it is stable. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS for your gaming device. Additionally, consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable experience. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Call of Duty. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing connection errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.